You tell him, Angel.
No, it's horrible. It's horrible. Do you have a running frolic?
Every time I was calling you, tell me you quit. To come back out and get out of breath.
Why you bark so much?
I mean, it seems like you're busy.
It does have the cute